guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. First up, let's have a scrambled cube. Oh well, you've already done it. So my cube might look a little different because I purchased it with, in my opinion, cooler colors. So just to make sure you guys know, green, blue, orange, white. The pink is actually, when I say red, that just refers to this. And yellow, what else? That was it. So really the first step, if you've solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube over here before, then this will be very easy. If you haven't, that's all right. The first step is to make 3 whites, like kind of like an L shape. Make sure that it isn't completely solved though. So this part really just has to be with your cubing experience, because I can't really help you with it. Once you've got it, have an empty gap. Make sure that that empty gap is on your bottom right side, and you have to find that white and make sure that the white is right here, right below that empty gap. Okay? So this part I can't really help you with because yours could be anywhere. So this is definitely the hardest step since I can't help you. But with your cubing experience, you should be able to do this. Alright. Once you have this done, this could take you a while. You're going to do a simple algorithm. Right, down, right, down. You're just going to keep repeating this. Eventually, your right side will solve like that. When your right side solves, one of these rows might solve. If it doesn't, that's all right. If it does, then make sure that if they're matching, that they're facing away from you. Then we're going to do another algorithm. Okay, right, bottom, right, left, bottom, left, right, bottom, right. So if you had a matching side, then all of your sides would be matching. But if you didn't have a matching side like me, then you're going to repeat the algorithm. Make sure those two are facing away. Repeat the algorithm. Right, bottom, right, left, bottom, left, right, bottom, right. Now, this top row should all be the same. So we're going to make sure this white goes to the bottom now. And so if your yellow side is already solved, then good job. If it isn't though, then what you're going to want to do is another algorithm. So if you solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, it's going to be the same algorithm. If you haven't, then it's all right. So the algorithm is right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. This will keep everything the same, but it's going to add some yellows to the top. So let's say if you have 3 yellows, you can just leave it how it is. If you have 2 yellows like me, you're going to want them so that they're lined up on this side. If you have 1 yellow, then you're going to want to make sure it's at the bottom left corner. If it's solved, then skip ahead. Alright, so let's do the algorithm again. Right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. So for me, that removed all mine. That's okay. I'll just have to repeat the algorithm. Once again, though, if you have 1 yellow piece, make sure that's right here at the bottom left. If you have 3, then it can really be anywhere. If it has 2, make sure it's on this side. Let's repeat. Right? And also, look at that. Ukraine. Go over Ukraine. Go Ukraine. Let's go. Alright, anyway. Right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. This made me have 2, so I'm going to put it like this. Do it again. Right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. This time we have 1, so let's put it to the bottom left corner. Just keep repeating it until you get a solved yellow side. Right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. So once again, I have a yellow piece. Make sure it's at the bottom left. Keep repeating. Top, right, top, right. There we go. Finally, it's solved. Once your side is solved, it's possible that your entire cube would be solved. If it is, congratulations. If it isn't, that's right. if you have a solved side like me, then make sure it's facing away from you. If you do not have a solved side though, that's all right. You're just gonna have to repeat this algorithm twice. All right. So the algorithm goes like right, front, right, back, back, right, front, right, back, back, right, right, back, back, front. Top. That'll solve your cube. If it didn't solve your cube, just repeat the algorithm. Right, front, right, back, back, right, front, right, back, back, right, right, back, back, front. So, that should solve your cube. It still doesn't. Repeat it again. Right, front, right, back, back, right, right, back, back, and then you know the drill. But once you do that, there you go. You have solved your 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Congrats. Now I'm going to show you a few tricks to do once you have solved your 2x2 Rubik's Cube. But before, I'm going to warn you, some of them can be very difficult. Alright? You okay with that? Okay. Anyway, so let me get it set up, the cube. Alright. So you guys don't have to do anything. I'm just making sure that this is right, and I'm making sure I remember correctly. Okay. Okay. So, like I was saying before, this can also work on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube as well. So, if you do this, so let's turn it so it's like this. We're going to move your fingers like this. Just keep repeating this. There you go. Solved. On the 3x3, it'll take a while, but you will do it. Another thing you can do is do this. There you go. Solved. Alright, the last thing I want to show you is another little pattern. So, oh shoot, whoops, I did the wrong thing. Wait a minute. Okay. If you do this, it also solves. And lastly, there you go. Well, congrats on solving your 2x2. Check out my other videos to solve the Pyramix and 3x3. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment what else you want me to do. Bye!